Hey, hey.
Nice cool sea breeze from Ladies Beach over there.
Wow, I feel that sea breeze in my hair.
Yes.
Wow, very nice, warm weather.
Where are we?
Where are we? If you see your house, leave a comment. But guess which building we are
Turn
watching
more
it
left, they
from.
will realize.
Okay. Now you're almost gonna guess where we are. With all this beautiful 360 degrees.
Okay, one hint. We are in hotel.
Yeah, a hint. We are in a hotel. Guess which one? Your car baby is standing right there.
Okay.
And it is
Minay Hotel.
Minay Hotel.
Winter and summer they are open.
We are actually at in one of the rooms.
Yeah, they have pool and a restaurant. You see the restaurant? They're open.
I cannot see very well
Yeah.
there. All right.
And,
Let's check out the room inside, what it looks like.
Oh, very closely.
Closey. Wait, you said there is something behind this door?
This is, if you are family, they connect your room with other room. It's connection rooms.
So there's another room in there?
Like this is like for families, very good. You get a big room, you know.
Very nice. Ah, and here you come in and it's like you can put the kids there.
Yes.
So the boy and the girl, and they would have their own room. This is awesome, yeah?
Yes.
But do we have our own balcony?
For sure. Yeah.
We do. Very
They have
fun.
bathroom over there, one more. Like
Very-
sometimes they rent separate this room.
Ah, I
They
got it.
close.
And
Yeah.
then you can have like a family suite basically.
Exactly. Look, yeah, sea view if you lay down that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice room.
Nice, simple.
I like the location very much.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna see next?
So we are going down to. Oh, he's the manager here.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Ufuk.
Ufuk.
He's the manager of hotel. He's running the business,
Yeah.
winter and summer. So we were okay. Let's ask about prices.
Yeah. What's the price of the room?
When about summer is different, but winter time is not expensive. Summer is more than cheaper.
So in euros for one room like this, how much it is?
Summertime,
Yeah,
25, 50 euro, two person, half boat.
25 or 50.
50 euro, two person, half boat.
And right now?
But then breakfast and dinner together.
And right now it's, I saw 70 lira says outside of the
Yeah,
door.
very cheap now. 70 for 15 euro.
15 euro.
And
Yeah.
breakfast two person.
15
Oh,
euro?
Winter price very drop. Yeah.
But if it's 70 lira, that means it's like a 9 euro. No?
Just something like no, 15 euro is right.
15 euro.
Two person.
So let's stick on the price.
Okay, let's stick on price. You guys can check out the link. You can find the price and the location.
Yeah, we're gonna put links. Yeah.
We got
Okay, we can walk
So
around.
this is very famous hotel, you know.
Minay Hotel.
Yeah.
Very old, very stronger hotel.
Old and strong hotel, he said.
So how many years ago was it
You
built?
look up. You want to see the view?
Sure, we can
Yeah,
see the
yeah,
view.
let's go.
Yeah. So how many years this hotel
Kaç
was
yaşında
built?
abi?
30 years old.
Oh, 30 years old.
30 years old, wow.
I remember before, like many different nationalities were coming in this hotel. You know.
Wow. Can you see your house here maybe? I'm coming. Oh, wow.
They can set up for celebration here if you wish, you know.
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow.
parties.
So sunny, so warm, so
You
nice.
can make even weddings here.
Yeah.
Anything you wish.
Activity here.
Yeah.
No, nothing else.
Wow, this would be very lovely to dance here. Oh, I like this view very much.
Let's show that area too.
Okay. It's like all around the building you
So
can
they
see.
can guess where exactly we are.
Yeah.
Like all these popular hotels around too.
If you have never been at this hotel before in this area, you can see Ladies Beach is just right over there, behind these buildings. So basically 400 meters
400
just to
meters,
walk and you're at the beach.
This was straight. Yeah.
Ah, you go this way, he says.
Yeah.
That's the road you take.
From Fons Hotel, from near the another hotel, direct away.
Ah, okay. Wow. So nice to see the city from above, you know, Our
Yeah.
Lady's Beach. We have filmed here so many times all around. And can you hear the mosque when? So if I take a room here, can I hear the prayer?
Yes, you can.
Very nice. I like
Alright.
I like to hear the mosque prayers very much. Oh, this is nice location. And for many of you, it's nice view on your house. All right.
Let's go downstairs or
Yeah, let's go check out downstairs. So downstairs is a restaurant area, right?
yeah, restaurant area.
Did,
It's closed in the winter time.
did you say breakfast was included in the price?
Yes, breakfast including.
Okay.
Certificate about the corona.
Certificate you have?
Yes, corona.
And what does that say? That-
Like he follows all the regulations here, so
Ah.
he got approved. You know, you can run
Every
it.
month 2 times.
You see,
for control.
for dirty masks, you put here, nowhere else. For example,
Very nice.
Like
Ah.
It's about this.
look,
It's about this.
safe tourism. You see that signs?
It's about that.
Hello.
Seats
is
for one
reception.
person. Usually for two, but only one person can sit. This doggy is very friendly over there.
Friendly doggy.
Let's show the restaurant area a little bit.
So when breakfast is included, you eat breakfast here?
Yes, breakfast included.
Yeah, this
If the guests want, we have only room.
fresh air. If it's rain, they close the roof.
Ah, it's
Yeah.
very nice. Feels so nice here.
No, not crowded, you know.
Ah, yeah. So these sides open also the glass, and then.
Yeah, they open everything. Tick, tick, tick.
Uh huh.
He opened the roof for us to show.
So which countries the guests are coming from here mostly?
Serbian, Russian, Bulgarian, sometimes British.
Sometimes
Many
British.
countries coming here, but
Turkish.
potential from Serbia.
Very interesting. Serbia, zdrasty.
Yeah,
I don't
beautiful,
know
beautiful
what's-
Serbian girls coming here. I know that.
Okay. And guys too.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There's the swimming pool I see.
Now swimming pool closed.
Ah, they have pool bar.
But
You
it's
see?
beautiful.
We have pool bar, but it's closed.
Yeah, it's closed right now. He
There's a
just
pool
closed
bar.
1 week ago.
Yes.
Ah.
It's like a
There is supermarket next to you over there, big one. When you come, you can shop from there. It's very convenient. And Dolmuş Paspai right next to it.
yes.
Here.
What's
Adı
his
neydi
name?
abi?
Laika is the first.
Laika.
Laika.
It's a Russian name.
Look, look, he's playing, look.
Laika is the first
Go to space, yeah, yeah. There's a lot of Laika dogs in Lithuania too.
Very cute.
Laika, Laika, Laika. Pss, pss, pss. She's a girl?
She's a girl, but she likes following the cats. Just follow, nothing.
Just follow, nothing major. Right. So I'm gonna show you the building from right outside. I see certificate, safe tourism.
Yeah.
All right. Ah, Hotel Minay.
Right.
Very, very nice. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
See you in Kuşadası.